Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Studio channel. Today we are going to be learning how to delete Snapchat account. First of all, open up Snapchat app. Tap on your profile icon at the top left corner of the screen to open your profile. After that, tap on the gear icon at the top right corner to go to the setting. Scroll down and under the support section, tap on I need help. After that, tap on managing my account. In Snapchat support, you can see here delete or reactivate my account. Tap on it. After that, tap on how do I deactivate or delete my Snapchat account. Scroll down and you can see here to deactivate or delete your Snapchat account. Log into the Snapchat accounts portal. Tap on Snapchat accounts portal. You will be asked to enter your username or email address. After that, tap on next, then follow further instruction to delete your Snapchat account. That's it guys. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please like and subscribe the channel and also don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.